Now, in our last class, we have seen till question number 4. Today, we'll be doing question number 5. So, let's see the question. Now, the question is the following table gives the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. The lifetime is given in this column, and the number of lamps is given in this column, and the number of lamps will be taken as frequency. And what you have to draw is represent the given information with the help of histogram. So you are going to draw histogram. That means you are going to draw join bar graph. Okay, so let's take it. So in the solution, first you have to draw the table in the rule page. So draw the table in the rule page, and once you're done, you can raise your hand. So draw the table in the rule page on the right side, and on the left side, we're going to draw the graph. So first draw the table. Question number 5, draw the table. And once you're done, you can raise your hand. Once you have drawn the table in the rule page, you can raise your hand. Okay, so now let's draw the graph. We're going to draw a histogram. So how to draw the histogram? For drawing histogram, just like bar, first we'll draw two lines. We'll leave two boxes, that means 2 cm on the bottom, and draw a line that will be x-axis. So on the right side you're going to put x, and on the left side x dash. Again, we are going to leave two gap on the left side, and we are going to draw the y-axis. On the top it will be y, and at the bottom y dash. Then if you see the class intervals, the first class intervals are from 300 to 400. Next is 400 to 500. So on the x-axis you are going to take 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. So you will start with We are going to leave, say, since we are directly starting from 300, that means we are not starting from 0, so we are going to put a zigzag line and leave two gap, and then start 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, then 1000, 100 or 1100. And on the y-axis, we're going to take the frequency. The highest frequency is how much? Let's see. The frequency is ranging from 14 to 86. The highest frequency is 86. So we cannot take 1 cm as 1. We cannot take 1 cm as 1. So along the y-axis, we are going to take 1 cm as 10 unit. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, so on. Now, along the x-axis, we have taken the first column, that is lifetime in hours. So write that and put an arrow. And the y-axis, we have taken the frequency, and the frequency here it is what? The second column. The second column is what? The second column is number of lamps. So along the y-axis, we're going to put that number of lamps and put an arrow. Then we are going to draw. Now first class interval is what? 300 to 400. And for 300 to 400, it is how much? It is 14. So for 300 to 400, we're going to draw a bar till 14. Now we have taken 1 cm as 10, so one small line will be 1, so 10 is here. So from 10, if you take the fourth line, that will be 14, and then draw the bar. Then next, if you say next class interval is 400 to 500, and it is the frequency is 56. So for 400 to 500, we are going to draw a bar till 56. So 50 is here. 56 will be from 50, the sixth line will be 56. Then next is 60. That is for 500 to 600 is 60. So for 500 to 600, we're going to draw a bar till 60. Then for 600 to 700, the frequency is 86. So we're going to draw a bar till 86. Then for 700 to 800, the frequency is 74, so we're going to draw a bar till 74. Then 800 to 900, we're going to draw till 62 because the frequency is 62. Then 900 to 1000, we are going to draw a bar till 48 because the frequency is 48. Okay, and after drawing, on the top, on the right side top, we are going to put the scale. Scale, what we have taken along x-axis, we have taken 1 cm equal to 100 unit. Along y-axis, we have taken 1 cm equal to 10 unit. And if you don't put the scale in the exam, you are going to lose 1 mark. The scale is very important in graph. If there is no scale, you are going to lose 1 mark. Okay, now draw it. Okay, so I think it's done. Don't forget to write the scale on the top. So put the scale on the right side top. Scale along the x-axis, we have taken 1 cm as 10. Along x-axis, we have taken 1 cm as 10 unit. Along x-axis, we have taken 1 cm as 10. So we'll write scale 1 cm equal to, along x-axis 1 cm equal to, not 10, 100 unit. Along x-axis, we have taken 1 cm equal to 100 unit, and along y-axis, we have taken, along y-axis, we have taken 1 cm as 10 unit. So we're going to write that along y-axis 1 cm equal to 10 unit. Okay, fine. So let's move to the next question. Okay, before that, there is one more question. How many lamps have a lifetime of more than 700 hours? So you have to tell how many lamp has a lifetime of more than 700 hours. Now for that, let's see the table. Let's see the plus interval. Now more than 700 means all this will be more than 700. Now more than 700 will be to find how many lamps has lifetime more than 700 hours. What are you going to do? We're going to add the frequency of all these three, that is 74 plus 62 plus 48. Okay, so write the answer. On the rule page below the table, we are going to write it. So more than 700 hour will be the number of lamps having lifetime more than 700 hour will be 74 plus 62 plus 48. 72 plus 62 plus 48. So add it up, it will be how much? 182. So you are going to write it here. Answer number 2 is 74 plus 62 plus 48. That is how much? 182. Okay, I hope it is done. Then let's move to the next question. Now the next question is what? Okay, next question. The runs scored by two team A and B on the first 60 ball in a cricket match are given. Now there are two teams A and B. Oh, sorry, not 7. It should be 6. Question number 6, not 7. The following table gives the distribution of students of two sections according to the marks obtained. Now, for section A, this is the table, and for section B is the table. Now, what you're going to do, represent the mark of the student of both the section on the same graph by two frequency polygons. So now we are going to draw frequency polygon. Frequency polygon. For the two polygon, compare the performance of the two section. For the two polygon or from the two polygon, compare the performance of the two section. Okay, so what you're going to do is first we'll draw the table. Now we're going to divide the table into two parts, section A and section B. For section A, we'll take the marks, and to draw the polygon, we have to find mid value. First take the mark, then from the marks or from the class, marks means the class interval. From the class interval, we find the mid values, and from after that, we are going to write the frequency. Frequency is given to us. This is the frequency. We'll write the frequency, and then the fourth column will be what points to plot. Points to plot. Now same we'll do for section B also. Again, we'll take the marks. We'll find the mid value. It will be same. Then we'll write the frequency, and then we'll write the point to plot. Okay, how to find the mid values? For a class, how to find the mid values? To find the mid values, we take the lower limit. The starting of the class is called lower limit. Ending of the class is called upper limit. We are going to add it and divide it by 2. We're going to add it and divide it by 2. So it will be 0 plus 10 by 2. 0 plus 10 is what? 10 by 2. How much? 5. Again, second one will be what? Second mid value will be what? 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20 by 2. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 by 2 is how much? 15. Again, the third mid value will be what? 20 plus 30 by 2. 20 plus 30 is how much? 50. 50 by 2 is how much? 25. Then we can find for the fourth one and fifth one. But after finding three of them, we can directly write for the fourth and fifth. First one is 5, next one is 15, next one is first mid value is 5, next mid value is 15, next mid value is 25, next one should be how much? The difference is 10, 10. So next will be again 10 more. So 25 plus 10, 35. Next will be again 35 plus 10, 45. Okay. So on the rule page, draw this table. Then same thing for section B also. We're going to take the marks. Marks means the class interval. From the class interval, we find the mid values. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now for the first one also, it was 10, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 25, 25. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. For the second section, section B also it is same. So whatever you got the mid values for the section A, the same, it will be same for the section B also. So we don't have to find it, we can directly write it. Then take the frequencies and then take the points to plot. Okay, so draw this table in the rule page, and once you're done, you can raise your hand. Okay, till now I have seen 23 hands. I need to see some more hand. Once you are done, you can raise your hand. Okay, so understood, it is written. Then let's see how to draw the graph. Now frequency polygon will be like this. This is the frequency polygon. In the frequency polygon, first we plot the points and then we join it by straight line. Okay, so leave two gap and draw a line on the left side. Leave 2 cm gap and draw a line on the left side, and again 2 cm at the bottom and draw a line. Now this will be x dash, and this will be what? y dash, and this will be 0. Then how to draw the graph? To draw the graph, we take the mid values and the frequency. We are going to take the mid values and the frequency. To draw the graph, we are going to take the mid values and the frequency. To draw the graph, we take the mid value and the frequency. So mid values are ranging from what? 5, 15, 25, 30, 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. So we're going to take 1 cms 5 unit, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, and then we are going to take the frequency on the y-axis, but the frequencies are ranging from what? They are ranging from uh, 3 to 17, and in the other one 3 to 19. So we have to take at least up to 20. So we'll take 1 cms. Okay, you can take 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20 because there is enough space. So take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me show you 2, 3 points, then you're going to draw it. Now, first point to plot for section A is what? Let's plot for section A. 5, 3. 5, comma 3. So 5, comma 3. Now 5, comma 3 means what? Say x5, y3. x5 is here. 5, comma 3 means x is 5 and y is 3. x5 is here, y3 is here. So x5 is here, y3 is here. So if you see, they will intersect at this point. So this point will be 5, comma 3. Okay, next point is what? Next point is 15, comma 9. Now x15 is here, 9 is here, x15 is here, 9 is here. So where they will intersect, say 9 and 15, they will intersect somewhere at this point. This 15 and 9 will intersect at somewhere at this point. So put a dot and put a round, and this will be what? 15, comma 9. Next is what? Next is 25, comma 17. 25 is here, 17 will be somewhat here, so 25, comma 17 will be somewhat here. Okay, and say we're going to mark one more. Before 5 it will be what? Say we have taken 1 same as 5, so before 5 it will be minus 5. So that one also we are going to also put it. So remove before 5 it will be minus 5. That one also put it on the left side, and one more extra. After 60 it will be what? 65. After 60 it will be 65. 1, 2 extra we will take it. Okay, then I'm not plotting all the points. So first you are going to plot all the points. First you will plot all the points. Say 5, comma 3 is here. Then 5, comma what? Sorry, 5, comma 3 is here. Then next is 15, 9. 15, 9 is here. Then next is 25, 17 is here. Then next is next is 35, 12. Next is 49, 9. Next is okay. Next we have plotted all. Then how to join? say the first one you join with broken line. Now the first point you are going to join, say before 5 it will be -5. Why? Try to understand this. First mid value is 5, then next is 15. So before 5 it will be how much? Before 5 it will be, before 5 how to find? It will be 5 minus 10, because the difference between any two class interval, any two mid values is 10. So before 5 it will be how much? From 5 you subtract 10, it will be how much? Minus 5, or 5 minus 10 is minus 5. And where will be minus 5? It will be on the right side. Where will be minus 5? It will be on the left side. Where will be minus 5? It will be on the left side. So first point we're going to join with that. Then you're going to join with scale and with broken line. Join it with scale. Then first and second, first point we are going to join with -5. Then again, first and second join it. Then we are going to join second and third with straight line. Then say it is the next point. Then you will join second and third and fourth. Then fourth and fifth. Then fifth and sixth. And the last point you are going to join last point is this. Last one is for the if you see the last mid value is 45. Now you are going to take the next mid value also. Next mid value is 55. Next mid value will be 55. So 45, 50, 55, 55 is here. Next mid value, we know that if it is there, it will be 55. So the last point we are going to join with the next mid value, that is 55. Okay. First one with the mid value that is before the first one. Then after drawing for the first, after drawing for the section A, you're going to plot for the section B also. You're going to plot for the section B also. You're going to plot for the section B also. And for section B, you're going to join with straight line. You're going to join with straight line. Okay. But on the left hand side of y-axis, you are going to use broken line only. For the left hand side of the y-axis, till this, you're going to use broken line. So when you draw this part should be straight and this part should be broken. And the rest join it by straight line. For section B, you're going to join all of them by straight line. And the last one with the next mid value. Next mid value is what? Is 55, we know. So you're going to join the last one with the next mid value, that is 55, like this. And here section A represent